My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to go from Adobe InDesign to Photoshop. So suppose you are in InDesign and you're writing an article or a paper or whatever, and you decide you want to edit your photo a little more before you finalize your article. So what you can do is in InDesign, you just click your selection tool and you select your photo. You can copy it by going to either Edit Copy or Command C. Then you go into Photoshop, File New, and what Photoshop will do is it's got a preset clipboard, so anything you've copied, it'll basically memorize what you've copied. So I've got something copied, so I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to paste it. And there you see right away, it'll paste it right into your clipboard. So then it's going to paste as a vector smart object. And the way that you can really fix this is just by right-clicking and then selecting rasterize layer. So then it's directly editable. Sometimes it's best to convert it to a smart object because it'll be a little bit picky. It'll say, oh, you can't do this because it's not a directly editable layer, so that's what I'm going to do here. And then from there, you can just go ahead and edit it however you want, etc. My name is Alex, and this is how you go from Adobe InDesign to Photoshop. Thank you.